Jeff Chanders, how's it going today? I'm actually here at the Didsbury District Chamber of Commerce today. We're going to be here taking a look at a train coming through. It's going to be the Canadian Pacific Railway train coming through the town of Didsbury. I've never actually been here before. There's going to be 3-time Juno winner Terri Clark and Kelly Prescott and Sierra Noble coming in here today. Join us as we take a look here in Didsbury and see what this place is all about. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share this with your friends. It's going to be a lot of fun. We'll see you guys really soon. Jeff Chanders, how's it going today? So it's a beautiful day here in Didsbury and we've just been hanging out doing our own thing. I am here with Ethan. Ethan, how are you?
I'm good today. How are you?
Incredible. Now, did you know the 3-time Juno Award winner, Terri Clark, Kelly Preston, and Sierra Noble is going to be here today?
I did not know that, no.
Have you ever heard of these artists?
I have not, but I'm hoping they're good.
You know what? I'm pretty sure they're going to be pretty amazing. Now, this is my first time doing this, you guys. So one of the things, have you been to this before?
I think I've been to it once, but I can't remember because it was quite a while ago.
The one interesting thing about this, you guys, is that we're in rural Alberta right now. So for those of you who've never been to a place like this, just know that it's quite calm. Check it out. This is what you'll see. We went from senior citizens to like high school students. Are you in high school?
Yes, I'm in grade 10.
Awesome. So grade 10ers, and then we also have Jeff Chanders out there. You guys are everywhere from 5 years old all the way to like 90. And it's such a family event. Everybody's just here doing their thing. There's people walking their dogs. Be anticipating for this train to come by really quick. Vincent, are you excited?
Yes, I am.
The train's gonna be coming through in about 3 minutes. The train's just gonna be coming up right behind me. Canadian Pacific right here.
Christmas tree.
Christmas spirit reign. Everywhere have some pumpkin pie, we'll do some caroling. Little sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Let the house with fires and lights rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing down in the new old-fashioned way. How's everybody doing this afternoon? It's afternoon and it's already getting dark. That's one thing that I remember growing up in Alberta very distinctly. Thank you all so much for coming out to the show and to the holiday train today, for supporting your local food banks. Supporting each other in your community is so important, and all the adults who brought their kids out. There are a lot of kids at this show. You're teaching them the right thing, the right spirit of Christmas, and that is giving. So thanks to all the parents bringing their kids out. All these kids are just looking at me going, I don't know who you are. Your mom does, it's okay. Anyway, I'm going to do a song that is out at Canadian Country Radio right now, climbing the charts, and it's off of my new album that came out in September. The album's called Raising the Bar, and this song really reminds me of small towns like this, and people who all know each other, support each other, and live, it's important to know to live in the moment and always embrace the present moment in your life. And that's what this song's about. This is called Young as We Are Tonight.
Woo! Guys, I am right up at the front of the stage right now. How cool is this? Right up here. See?
Just living in a field of stars, just some hearts with some dreams, running wild kings and queens. At the family fair, little town somewhere, sundown things you get lost in the midway lights, and have looking around. You got to the show called live. Whatever you're holding in, let it go, let it disappear in a ring of snow. There's the skies and up the clear. And you're going just go. Take a look around for a minute, take a picture in your mind, and send it to yourself, 'cause the truth is, we're never gonna be as young as we are now. And the words in the sound take a deep right off the ground, and let you love not a storm, and watch it burn through the dawn. Hang on tight, 'cause it's a hell of a ride, but don't leave the fire. Whatever you're holding in, let it go, let it disappear in a ring of smoke. Past the skies and up the clear, wherever you're going, just go. Take a look around for a minute, take a picture in your mind, and send it to yourself, 'cause the truth is,
So much fun,
we're
guys.
never gonna be as young as we are now. Raise that view and be damn proud that you grew up around here. You got one life, you got one chance, you got one dance. Whatever you're holding in, let it go, let it disappear in a ring of smoke. Wherever you're going, just go. Take a look around for a minute, take a picture in your mind, and send it to yourself. pass it. We have a young man by the name of Weston Allen turning 5 years old today. Where's Weston? Are you guys good singers? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Weston. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Yeah.
All right, Kelly, you're up.
Well, wow. Am I though? What do you guys think? Should we do one more? Well, we've been on this train since Montreal. I don't know how many shows we played, probably 60.
This train for a very long time.
And you're leaving
I know,
tonight.
this is my last day. I get to go see my dogs tomorrow.
Okay, well, you know, since you're leaving, let's do a duet.
I think we should do that.
Just two more times.
Okay.
Okay. Here's a song that Terri and I recorded for the 20 Songs for 20 Years playlist that CP released. It's one called Sister Christmas. Santa Claus, hear my call. I'm begging pretty please. I don't want no dogs, no shopping, only where I wanna be. Give me smiles, you know why? That's all I really need. There was only one wish on my list, and when I met you, when it came true. Yeah, I got a sister for Christmas. Oh, I got a sister for Christmas.
Late nights laugh until we're crying on another kid. Kids on Christmas. Hanging at home, doing such a trip. Reaching out, going on like a timeless bottle. 100 cats.
When it came true.
Yeah, I got a
Sister for Christmas.
oh, I got a
Sister for Christmas. Sister for Christmas. Yeah, I got two sisters. Sisters for Christmas. I got sisters for Christmas. Oh, I got sisters for Christmas. Terri Clark. See you in Nova. Please give James Lee a Merry Christmas, take care of each other.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Terri Clark.
Jeff Chambers, thank you so much for joining us here today at the Didsbury District Chamber of Commerce, right here in their downtown core. I will see you guys again next year.